October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Two local health systems stress the importance of testing for the disease and what ways it can be prevented. Mercyhealth and Molina Healthcare host a free lunch. Attendees learn about the different types of breast cancer prevention strategies like mammograms, weight management, and its effects. Some speakers include registered dietitian Christine Gillette and oncologist Dr. Halim Rasool. Diabetics are more likely than the general population to develop cancer, and a major factor for that is bad eating habits.
It's a good practice to avoid sugars, be at a good weight, because we know, especially in the postmenopausal age group, breast cancer is associated with being overweight.